Wealth management is a personalized financial service that focuses on helping individuals grow, protect, and manage their wealth. It combines investment management, financial planning, tax strategies, estate planning, and risk management to ensure long-term security. Wealth managers work closely with clients to understand their goals, risk tolerance, and future needs, creating tailored strategies to maximize wealth and achieve financial success. It also ensures that wealth is passed on effectively to future generations. Wealth management is all about making your money work for you rather than just you working for money. By strategically managing your finances, you can grow your wealth, generate passive income, and achieve financial security for future goals. Ultimately, wealth management offers peace of mind by aligning financial strategies with personal objectives, safeguarding assets, and securing a financially independent future. Now let's talk about the eligibility to become a wealth manager. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, business, or a related field is generally required. Some wealth managers pursue an MBA, preferably with a specialization in finance or investment management, to further enhance their expertise. Further, candidates can also opt for professional certifications like Certified Financial Planner, Chartered Financial Analyst, Certified Investment Management Analyst, and Association of Mutual Funds certification. Strong analytical skills and in-depth understanding of financial markets, investment strategies, tax planning, and estate management are essential. Effective communication and interpersonal skills are crucial as wealth managers work closely with clients, understanding their financial goals and building long-term relationships. Now let's discuss different functions of wealth management. The first one is financial planning. It is a strategy for saving and investing for a robust monetary future. It involves setting financial goals, assessing the current economic status, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, investing for the future, and reviewing and readjusting. Financial planning helps you achieve your long-term and short-term financial goals through assets like mutual funds, stocks, term insurance plans, fixed deposits, pension plans, etc. The second one is investment management. It includes asset allocation, financial statement analysis, stock selection, monitoring of existing investments, and portfolio strategy and implementation. Investment management may also include financial planning and advising services, not only overseeing a client's portfolio but coordinating it with other assets and life goals. The third one is tax planning. It focuses on minimizing tax liabilities while ensuring compliance with legal regulations. It involves strategically structuring income, investments, and expenses to optimize tax efficiency and maximize wealth retention. Effective tax planning includes leveraging deductions under sections like Section 80C, Section 80D, and Section 54. You can see different deductions of these sections on your screen. The fourth one is risk management. It involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating financial risks to protect assets, investments, and income. It includes strategies to counter market volatility, inflation, debt, and liquidity risks. Insurance play a key role by providing financial protection against unforeseen events like death, disability, property damage, lawsuits, or medical emergencies. Common insurance types include life, health, property, liability, and business insurance, ensuring financial stability. A strong risk management strategy combines diversification, emergency funds, insurance coverage, and regular financial reviews to safeguard wealth and ensure long-term security. The fifth one is estate planning. It ensures the smooth transfer of assets to heirs while minimizing legal complexities and tax liabilities. It involves creating wills, trusts, and power of attorney to protect and distribute wealth according to an individual's wishes. Proper estate planning helps prevent disputes, ensures financial security for beneficiaries, and optimizes tax efficiency through strategic asset distribution. It also includes succession planning for businesses, charitable giving, and establishing guardianship for dependents. By integrating estate planning into wealth management, individuals can safeguard their legacy, reduce inheritance taxes, and ensure wealth preservation across generations. Now let's see some common myths which are related to wealth management. First one is wealth management is only for the rich. Many believe wealth management is only for ultra high net worth individuals, but in reality, financial planning and investment advice benefits everyone regardless of income level. The next is FDs are the safest and best investment. While FDs are safe, they often don't beat inflation over time. Wealth management involves diversifying into mutual funds, equities, real estate, and other asset classes for better long-term growth. The next is gold is the best investment for Indians. Gold is culturally significant, but over-relying on it for wealth creation can limit portfolio growth. So, a balanced investment strategy with equities, mutual funds, and real estate can provide better diversification and returns. Next is real estate always gives high returns. Indians traditionally view real estate as a primary investment. However, property prices can stagnate and liquidity is an issue. It should be part of a diversified portfolio rather than the only investment. The next is financial planning is not necessary if you earn well. A high salary doesn't automatically lead to wealth accumulation. Without proper budgeting, saving, and investing, wealth can erode quickly due to inflation and poor financial decisions. Wealth management is a comprehensive financial service that helps individuals grow, protect, and manage their wealth through strategic planning. As we all saw that it encompasses financial planning, investment management, tax optimization, risk management, and estate planning to ensure long-term financial security. Having a solid wealth management plan can provide peace of mind when it comes to funding your children's education, overseas study, marriage, or retirement. The wealth management sector is expanding rapidly as rising per capita income boosts demand for financial planning, investment advisory, and asset management services. With increasing disposable income, individuals seek expert guidance to grow and protect their wealth through diverse investment options like equities, real estate, and alternative assets. A well-structured wealth management approach ensures financial stability, helps achieve life goals, and secures a prosperous future for individuals and their families.